Hey there, Health Hypes fam. Imagine going to bed and waking up leaner, healthier, and more energized, all because of the foods you ate. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into the top 20 foods that burn fat while you sleep. Science backed, delicious, and super easy to add to your life. These aren't just random snacks. They're powerhouse foods that boost your metabolism, balance hormones, and torch fat while you catch those Z's. Stick with me to the rest of the video and I'll share exactly what to eat, why it works, and how to make it fun. Let's transform your nights into fat burning machines. Ready? Let's go. Number one, almonds. Almonds are a fat burning superstar. Packed with healthy fats and protein, they stabilize blood sugar and keep you full, preventing late night cravings. Their magnesium also promotes better sleep, which is key for fat loss since poor sleep spikes cortisol, a fat storing hormone. A small handful before bed, about 1 ounce, gives you 7 grams of protein and fiber to keep your metabolism humming. Studies show almonds can reduce belly fat over time. Try them raw or lightly roasted, no added sugar. Toss them in a bedtime trail mix for a crunchy treat. Number two, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein packed gem that works overnight. Its high casein protein digests slowly, fueling muscle repair and fat burning while you sleep. Probiotics in yogurt also support gut health, which regulates metabolism. Choose unsweetened, full fat versions to avoid sugar spikes. A 6 ounce serving before bed can provide 20 grams of protein. Add some berries for flavor and antioxidants. Your body will thank you in the morning. Number three, cherries. Tart cherries are nature's sleep aid and fat burner combo. They're rich in melatonin, which improves sleep quality. And better sleep means less fat storage. Their antioxidants reduce inflammation, a key driver of weight gain. A small glass of tart cherry juice or a handful of fresh cherries before bed can boost fat metabolism. Research shows cherries lower insulin levels, helping your body burn fat instead of storing it. Sweet dreams, literally. Number four, avocado. Avocado's healthy monounsaturated fats are perfect for nighttime fat burning. They stabilize blood sugar and provide steady energy so your body focuses on burning stored fat. Avocados also contain potassium, which supports muscle recovery and reduces bloating. Half an avocado with a sprinkle of sea salt makes a creamy, satisfying pre-bed snack. Studies suggest these fats improve insulin sensitivity, key for fat loss. Go green tonight. Number five, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a slow digesting protein powerhouse. Its casein protein feeds your muscles all night, boosting metabolism and fat burning. A half cup serving has about 14 grams of protein and only 80 calories. It's also rich in calcium, which studies link to improved fat oxidation. Pair it with a few slices of cucumber for a low carb, refreshing bite. Trust me, your body will be working hard while you rest. Number six, salmon. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids are a game changer for fat loss. They reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body burn fat overnight. A 3 ounce serving at dinner provides protein and healthy fats to keep you satiated. Omega 3s also boost leptin, a hormone that signals fullness. Grill or bake it with lemon for a light, delicious meal. Your metabolism will be firing on all cylinders. Number seven, eggs. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. Hard boiled eggs before bed provide 6 grams of protein per egg, keeping your metabolism active. Their choline content supports fat metabolism and liver health, crucial for weight loss. Plus, eggs are affordable and versatile. Try two with a sprinkle of paprika for a quick snack. Research shows high protein snacks at night reduce morning hunger, setting you up for better food choices. Number eight, walnuts. Walnuts are loaded with omega 3s and fiber, making them a fat burning, sleep friendly snack. Their healthy fats stabilize blood sugar, and their melatonin content promotes restful sleep. A small handful, about 14 halves, offers 4 grams of protein and heart healthy fats. Studies link walnuts to reduced visceral fat. Mix them with a few dried cherries for a tasty bedtime treat. Your body will love this combo. Number 9, blueberries. Blueberries are low in calories but high in antioxidants, which fight inflammation and support fat loss. Their fiber keeps you full, and their natural sugars won't spike insulin. A half cup before bed is perfect. Research shows blueberries improve metabolic health and reduce fat storage. Blend them into a smoothie with Greek yogurt for a creamy, fat burning treat. Sweet and healthy. Yes, please. Number 10, chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. Their fiber and omega 3s stabilize blood sugar and promote fat burning. They also absorb water, keeping you hydrated and full overnight. Mix 2 tablespoons into almond milk for a quick pudding. Studies show chia seeds improve insulin sensitivity and reduce belly fat. Add a touch of vanilla for flavor. Your body's working while you sleep. Number 11, turkey breast. Turkey breast is lean, protein rich, and perfect for fat burning. Its high protein content supports muscle repair, boosting your resting metabolism. Tryptophan in turkey also promotes sleep, helping you burn more fat. A 3-ounce slice with a side of veggies is ideal for dinner. Studies show high protein diets reduce fat mass over time. Keep it simple and watch the magic happen. Number 12, spinach. Spinach is a low calorie, nutrient dense food that supports fat loss. Its magnesium and iron improve sleep and metabolism, while its fiber keeps you full. A small spinach salad with olive oil before bed is perfect. Research links leafy greens to reduced fat storage. Add a sprinkle of nuts for crunch. Your body will burn fat while you dream. Number 13, green tea. Green tea's catechins like EGCG boost fat oxidation even at rest. Drinking a cup, decaf, before bed can enhance metabolism without keeping you awake. Its antioxidants also reduce inflammation. Studies show green tea increases fat burning by up to 17%. Sip it warm with a slice of lemon for a cozy vibe. Your body's fat burning furnace is on. Number 14, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a magnesium packed fat burning snack. They stabilize blood sugar and improve sleep quality, both key for fat loss. A 1-ounce serving has 10 grams of protein and healthy fats. Sprinkle them on yogurt or eat them solo. Research shows magnesium rich foods reduce fat gain. Crunch your way to a leaner you. Number 15, kiwi. Kiwi is a sleep boosting, fat burning fruit. Its high vitamin C and fiber content support digestion and metabolism, while its low glycemic index prevents sugar spikes. Eating 1 or 2 kiwis before bed can improve sleep quality per studies. Their antioxidants also fight fat-storing inflammation. Slice them up for a refreshing snack. Number 16, flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega 3s and lignans, which boost fat metabolism and balance hormones. Their fiber keeps you full, reducing nighttime cravings. Add a tablespoon to a smoothie or yogurt. Studies show flax seeds reduce visceral fat and improve insulin sensitivity. Grind them for better absorption. Your body's burning fat all night. Number 17, broccoli. Broccoli's fiber and antioxidants make it a fat-burning hero. Its low calories and high nutrient density support weight loss, while its calcium boosts fat oxidation. Steam a small portion for dinner to stay full overnight. Research shows cruciferous veggies like broccoli reduce fat storage. Pair with a lean protein for a perfect meal. Number 18, dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate can burn fat. Choose 70% cocoa or higher for its antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and improve metabolism. A small square, about 1 ounce, before bed satisfies sweet cravings without spiking sugar. Studies show dark chocolate improves insulin sensitivity. Pair it with almonds for a decadent treat. Indulge guilt free. Number 19, lentils. Lentils are a fiber and protein powerhouse perfect for fat burning. They stabilize blood sugar and keep you full so your body burns fat overnight. A small bowl of lentil soup at dinner is ideal. Studies show lentils improve metabolic health and reduce fat mass. Season with turmeric for extra anti inflammatory benefits. Number 20, coconut oil. Coconut oil's medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, are metabolized quickly, boosting fat burning even at rest. A teaspoon before bed supports ketosis and keeps you satiated. Studies show MCTs increase fat oxidation by up to 12%. Use it in cooking or add to tea. Your body will burn fat while you sleep. Wow, we just covered the top 20 foods that burn fat while you sleep. From almonds to coconut oil, these foods are your secret weapon for a leaner, healthier you. The best part? They're delicious, easy to find, and backed by science. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 foods from this list and add them to your evening routine. Your body will thank you with better sleep, a faster metabolism, and less fat. You've got the power to transform your health, one bite at a time. Let's make those nights work for you.